Right, lads. Chopsaw. Dewalt. Charlie. Toki, I think his name was. This is for you mainly, son. So I roll. So I look after my subscribers. He wanted to see this again. Everyone that's watched my vids has seen it. But Charlie wants to see it because he wants to buy one. Right, this is 240 volt. They come in this and 110. This originally comes with a metal cutting blade and it's for cutting steel, pipe, whatever, anything metal. Okay? Diamond blade fitted on it. It's a 330mm, is it, Nuss?
Yeah, something like that.
330mm. Right. So when it comes with sort of like a vicey, a squarey vicey type of thing, doesn't it, Nuss? Where you can lock the...
You can lock whatever you're cutting.
When that comes, we get rid of all that. You don't want all that. So you get rid of that. And then the only other thing we've done, we cut this bit of guard back. Now, I'm being honest with you, Charlie, we need to cut that back a little bit more. Why do you do that? Believe it or not, it's safe. It's for safety. When you're cutting something 4-inch like a brick like this, that will stop you cutting the whole length of the brick. You'll end up having to hold the brick up like this or something to get through it, which is obviously more dangerous. So to enable the brick to be kept on the bed, we cut that back. But we have got to take about another 15mm off that, Nuss, haven't we?
We have, yeah.
But they cut brick, they will cut blocks. Obviously they don't slide, but they're so quick. When you get it on the bed like this, if everything's set up level, square cut. Now, I'm exaggerating, but when you do the cuts, one of them big things, them steel saws, you put your foot on the brick, often you won't go down straight, will you? I'm exaggerating, you'll cut it like that or like that. That gives you a better cut. It's more accurate, because you've got more control over it. Downside is, it's noisy, but then you earmuffs and the dust. But they're dust without water suppression, isn't they? This, you can't use water suppression. So you're not going to get away with it on the big sites. So you need a dust mask, don't you? Unless you're like me, you've got iron lungs. So yeah, look at that for a cut. Wonderful. It's so quick. It's so quick. We use it for everything, don't we, Nuss?
We do, yeah.
All the halves up the reveals we do with it. Everything with bricks. This, they do it, there's other makes, Metabau and that. We found this one. Not that I've ever owned a Metabau, but we have used them, haven't we, Nuss?
We have.
They're not quite as powerful,
no.
And they're cheaper. This I find to be the best one. I've never used a 110, but I would imagine it's got the same power. If you can get away with the fact that it's 240 volt, Charlie, and there's no water suppression, you cannot go wrong. You're going to have lots of people criticising, everyone criticised me about this. Oh, it's dangerous to cut your fingers off and all this sort of stuff, but they obviously haven't got any confidence. With any machine that can be dangerous, you've got to be confident. Not cocky, but confident. So, highly recommended.
Does make it so much easier, doesn't it, to cut, do
The
cuts.
other thing that I haven't said, look, if you've got it set up here, look at my back, Charlie. Look at my back. See my back? That's my back, look. Right, now you bend over, Nuss. Just bend over a little bit. Bend over a little bit. Pretend you're using a steel cutter. Look at his back. Look at the Nuss's back. Terrible posture. Right, okay, so I want it. You get one of them for bad posture. Right? And you have to go and buy me an ice cream. Look at my posture. Yeah? Best posture you've ever seen. Okay? Charlie, go and buy one. They're about 200 notes on eBay. There's a guy in Australia that messaged me a while ago. He was going to buy one on eBay and get it posted out there. But there will be a lot of criticism. But guess what? I don't care. Plug up.